You join a modern tech company thinking promotions are about skill, impact, and maybe writing code that does not set production on fire. You imagine clear ladders, honest feedback, and recognition for solving hard problems. That belief lasts about 3 stand-ups. Then reality loads in slowly, like a broken dashboard, because promotions are not about how clean your code is or how many bugs you squash. They are about perception, about narratives, about whether your work can be turned into a neat slide with arrows and buzzwords. You might build the thing, but if no one sees the thing, it might as well not exist. Modern promotion systems run on visibility first, value second. The developer who fixes a silent memory leak at 3:30 a.m. is invisible. The developer who announces a refactor in 3 meetings and posts a recap doc is suddenly strategic. Same effort, different spotlight. Guess who gets promoted? Impact is not measured by what breaks when you leave. It is measured by what managers can explain upward without sweating. If your contribution cannot be summarized in 1 sentence, it is too complex. If it cannot be tied to business outcomes, it is too technical. Simplicity wins, even when it lies. Then there is the leveling document, the sacred text. Vague phrases like demonstrates leadership, drives alignment, and influences without authority. No one explains what these mean, but everyone pretends they do. At some point, you notice the pattern. The people moving up are not necessarily the best engineers. They are the best translators. They turn code into stories, bugs into lessons, meetings into moments. They are always busy, always present, and somehow always working on the most visible thing. Ownership becomes the magic word. You are encouraged to own a system, a project, or at least a document. Not because ownership improves quality, but because it creates a name association. If something succeeds, there is a face attached. Feedback cycles stretch into mysteries. You ask how to get promoted and receive encouragement instead of answers. Keep doing what you are doing. Be patient, maybe next cycle. Meanwhile, expectations quietly rise. Promotions also depend on timing, budgets, headcount, team politics. You might be ready, but the spreadsheet is not. Another team needs a promotion more. Someone promised something earlier. Suddenly, your growth collides with planning, and planning always wins. So developers adapt. They document aggressively. They speak more in meetings. They volunteer for cross-team work they do not want. Not because it is meaningful, but because it is seen. This is how you survive the system without burning out, or at least without burning quietly. The irony is that companies claim to reward impact, yet design systems that reward performance theater. The loud fix beats the quiet prevention. The roadmap beats the refactor. And the person who keeps things stable slowly becomes part of the furniture. Once you see it, you cannot unsee it. Promotions are not a ladder, they are a stage, and the rules are unwritten but consistent. If you want to move up, you do not just write good code, you make your work legible to people who never open the editor. That does not mean the system is evil, it just is. Understanding it gives you options. You can play the game, bend it, or opt out entirely. Just do not confuse silence with fairness. That is how promotions really happen, not in commits, but in conversations.